I'm Brenda. Welcome to Nana's Hidden Apron. Today we're going to make some oven-baked Parmesan chicken. Let's get started. Here I've got 1 egg with a tablespoon of heavy whipping cream. Now in here I have 2 tablespoons of almond flour, 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese, half teaspoon of paprika. I'm sorry about that. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and onion powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. That's what we have in here. That's our breading. I have 3 chicken breasts that I'm going to use. They've already been washed and cleaned up. My pan, I've got parchment paper underneath of it with a wire rack, and I've sprayed it with some olive oil to try to keep it from sticking. And the oven, we've got it setting on 400 degrees. Alright, now comes the messy part. We're going to get a set of tongs out of here, and we're going to take our chicken and we're going to dredge it, dredge, however that's pronounced, dredge. Yeah, I think it's called dredge. In the egg mixture, and then we're going to try to pick it up. And we're going to shake as much of that off as possible, because we don't want it to be, we don't want our breading to be smooshy. We don't want it smooshy. No, we don't. And then we're gonna put it in there. Get it on one side, flip it over, get it on the other side. Just do a little look and make sure that you've got it coated well. Then we're gonna put it right there. And I'm gonna do the same thing with the other 3. Chicken, dredge, scoot it around, get that egg and heavy whipping cream on there so that it holds our Parmesan cheese mixture. That's what we're doing. Get it on there nice and heavy. Shake it off. Shake off what's gonna come off. Let's get our crumbs and stuff back down in there. Okay. And in here again. Mash it down so it gets a good coating. Just the breading smells delicious. That Parmesan cheese, yeah, it smells great. I really do like Parmesan cheese. I like just about any kind of cheese so far that I've had. I think they've all tasted very nice. I know a lot of people eat some cheeses I've never tried before, and I'm not sure that I would, but you know, everybody likes their own kinds of cheese, that's for sure. Put it right there. Don't let them touch. You don't need them to touch. And back over here, y'all gonna get drunk. Gonna get super dizzy. And we're gonna bread this one up, or get the egg mixture on there, and then we're going to bring it over here to the our coating. Just like that. Flip it over. If you see some areas that may need more coating like this, just scoop you some up and put it on there. And we're going to flip it back over because I forgot to let some of that egg mixture come off of there. So this one's got a little more egg on it than it probably should have. But we're going to bring it over here again. lay that one down on there. And then we're soon going to clean up all of our mess. Now, like I said, I've got the oven preheating to 400. I'm going to let this bake 20 to 30 minutes. So, get back, Brinkley. Let's get this put in there. There we go. In we go. Alright. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and put some green beans on. Now, as far as green beans go, I like the southern style green beans better, but that's not what we're doing today. Today I'm just taking some of these. It's actually the steamable bag of green beans that you get from Walmart. But I'm just going to open that up. Okay, now, here's our pan. And I'm just going to go ahead and pour these green beans straight in there. Just like that. Butter. Get some butter for it. I'm actually going to put about a tablespoon and a half in there. And then I'm going to put some salt. And I'm just going to cover it with a little bit of water. Half a cup of water. We're just going to steam these more than boil them. I'm going to put a cup in there. There we go. That's more like it. Okay. Y'all, I am not having any luck in this kitchen this afternoon. What is up? Have you ever just had one of those days in your kitchen? Seems like you can't get anything going quite the way you want it to. Well, I'm running a little bit behind my usual schedule for cooking supper that I like to. Yeah, I've got myself on a schedule. What can I say? But we've got the chicken going. We've got the green beans going. And the next thing I'm going to do is get this mess over here cleaned up. And after I get my supper ready, then I'm going to make some keto fat bombs. And if you're wondering, this meal is keto approved. So no worries there. You know it's going to be delicious regardless. Now after the chicken bakes, if you want to put yourself a little bit of marinara sauce on it, or you know, some pasta sauce, just you know, watch your carbs on it. If you're doing that, watch your carbs. And just put you a little bit on there, and a little bit of mozzarella cheese on the top. Because when these get done, I'm going to sprinkle just a little bit of mozzarella cheese on top. Probably some parsley. Make it look good to the eyes. So we're going to do that. And I guess we're just waiting for 30 minutes to go by. If you haven't yet, I do hope you will subscribe to my channel. There's a red button that is there. You can just click that and then click for all notifications. You know, click the bell, ring that dinner bell, so that you'll know each time I put content on. And give me a thumbs up. Click that like button for a thumbs up. If you have any suggestions on how to improve this recipe, let me know. If you tried and you liked it, please do let me know. And I just want to thank all of my subscribers. I appreciate you very much. I'll be back with you soon. Welcome back. Let's check and see if this chicken's ready. Pretty sure this is ready by now. It's actually been in there longer than I meant for it to be. Got a little sidetracked. Yeah. Smells really good, y'all. Our green beans have cooked down. I skipped a part on that, and I shouldn't have done that with you all. I know better. I forgot to put my little dehydrated onions in there, so I did that. And then just as these almost had cooked out of water, I put a teaspoon of brown sweetener in those. And you talk about making some green beans really good. That does. Now, I'm going to go over here and get us some mozzarella cheese out and sprinkle just a little bit on there so it'll melt. Of course, now you can put any kind of cheese you want on the top. I just Mozzarella and Parmesan seem to go together for me. So we'll just do a little sprinkling of that. And then I'm just going to stick it in the oven. I've already got the oven shut off. I'm going to stick it in the oven and just long enough to melt that cheese is all. And then we'll go ahead and plate up. Just a little bit of melt on it's all I wanted to do, so that it would stick to the chicken. Alright, now let's go ahead and get a plate ready. And Tom, would you like to show me which one of these pieces of chicken you would like to have for dinner?
Let's see.
That one's mine.
Oh, okay. I'll take the one closest to the camera, the one on the right.
Okay.
Please.
Oops. It lost its breading off of it. That's okay. It's got plenty on the top. We're not worried about that, apparently, huh? Alright. Let's just go ahead and get this scooted over out of the way. And, just turn around here. Yeah. A nice, good-sized serving of those green beans. And look at that. That's what's for dinner here at our house. Baked chicken Parmesan, green beans. Smells delicious. Y'all take care. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.